Hello everyone, today we'll be reviewing the retractable hub docking station for Tesla Model 3 and Y. This is it, just came in. Okay, I already got it installed in the car, so I will show you guys at the continuation of this video how this thing is installed and how it works. Okay, bye. Hello everyone, welcome. This is a 2024 Tesla Model Y. I just picked up this USB console, I think around $40 Canadian. So it's gonna go right in here. I'm just gonna quickly guys show you how to install it. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna do it at an angle, a little bit like this. Okay, set it like this, bring it all the way and push it from that side. That's it, and it locks in there. Now inside there you have this USB-C outlet, 1 and 2. You just click it in there and the light went on. Now those little things here, just remove it. It's hard to sort of do this. Okay, so this thing comes out, it's retractable, and now it's locked, you see? So there is a spring and there is a locking mechanism, but if I want to put it in, see, it retracts back. Great idea, whoever came up with this. All right, and you just stick it right in here. This is a C, USB-C. This one is for iPhone. That's the end. Okay, and in addition to that, you have additional regular USB port. This is a little rubber, like a plug. You can buy it. I also bought it, the whole set. I paid for it $10. Okay, and this one is the this is a C drive right there. Okay, also I put a plug in here to close it. Okay, the reason why you want to close it, because as you can see, okay, you're gonna be putting a lot of stuff in here. Any dust, any small debris is gonna get trapped in there, and you don't want this exposed. If you're not using it, you're probably mostly gonna be using those ones here for your phone. Mind you, this Tesla comes with the chargers here. You can put one iPhone here, the another one over here. But just in case your iPhone is almost dead and you have to use it, especially for a passenger, they can just grab this extension, retract that extension cord, plug it in, and you can use it at the same time while and you're charging it. Okay, or you can simply just go in here, insert a cord if you have an additional cord, or in here, and charge it that way. Or maybe you want to use it for your iPad, right, for the passenger. Okay, great thing, guys. You know, check this out. This thing looks nicely, color is identical, it's a perfect match. Beautiful. There's a little bit of a glue residue I'm gonna remove. This is 3 amps. This one is 2.4 amps. And then you have as 1C and the one for iPhone. Okay. And here is a little illuminated. You can see it's in blue, beautiful blue. You can actually see it. Tesla, right? Nice. It's quite nice. Very aesthetically pleasing. Anyway, so that completes the overview. of this little device that just came in from Amazon. Like I said, it was around $40 plus $10 for a bunch of rubber plugs, which, believe me, will come in handy. Okay, this is exposed all the time to dust, debris, some food, you know, crumbs of a donut, whatever, you know, it's gonna go right inside that. And even water, let's say you drink something, accidentally splash some water over this, and it's gonna go right inside this USB. That wouldn't be good. Okay, so that's not the greatest design to have this thing exposed like this. I would prefer that maybe this would be even eliminated altogether, but since it's here, I need to protect it. And these rubber plugs fit nice and tight, and they are actually rubber. Perfect. Okay, that completes the review. Guys, subscribe please, I'm doing those videos for you. So yeah, yeah, okay, I have many more videos coming. I'm gonna do a full review of Tesla soon, my experience with it. So far I've been driving it for the past 35 days, I guess. That's when I got it. Okay, this is a dual motor, long range, I guess, whatever they call it. Okay, so yeah, okay, this is a great piece to have. And yeah, okay, I'll see you guys later. And please subscribe if you can. If not, at the very least, give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much. Bye.